This Crock Pot Mexican chicken is perfect for tacos and burrito bowls and heats up great as leftovers. Into a large crock pot, you'll start by pouring in 2 cans of drained corn. You could also use a bag of frozen corn if you have that on hand. Add in 1 can of black beans, drained and rinsed well. Add in a half a cup of Picante salsa. You could use any salsa you like or whatever you have in the pantry, but I personally think the Picante turns out the best. On top of that mixture, add in 2 pounds of boneless chicken breast. Top the chicken with another half cup of salsa. Cover that and cook on high for 2.5 hours or on low for 4 to 6. Shred the chicken and stir everything together back in the crock pot. This is one of our favorite recipes that we make all the time. It's just so easy to throw together and is the perfect lazy meal prep if you're like me and don't like to think about lunches for the week. What's your favorite crock pot recipe? Let me know in the comments. Top with your favorite shredded cheese and cook on low for about 10 to 15 more minutes until the cheese is nice and melted. Scoop the chicken mixture into your favorite tortillas or add on top of rice for a delicious burrito bowl. We like to add sour cream and jalapenos, but top with your favorite taco toppings and enjoy! Like and subscribe for more delicious recipes.